The world is a treasure trove of wonders, a tapestry woven with mysteries that defy explanation. In every corner of the globe, there are places that challenge our understanding of nature, history, and the very fabric of reality. Join us on a journey into the realm of the unexplained as we delve into the top 10 mysterious places that have left scientists, researchers, and explorers baffled. From ancient legends to otherworldly landscapes, these enigmatic sites captivate our imagination, sparking curiosity and inviting us to explore the edges of what we know. Number 10. Skeleton Lake. High in the Indian Himalayas, at over 16,000 feet above sea level, lies Rupkund Lake, a small glacial basin shrouded in mystery and legend. But beneath its icy surface lies a macabre secret, the ancient remains of hundreds of human skeletons. Discovered in 1942, the presence of these skeletons puzzled scientists and historians alike. Who were these people, and what catastrophic event led to their final resting place being this remote Himalayan lake? Some theories propose that Rupkund Lake was an ancient pilgrimage site, where travelers succumbed to the harsh conditions or participated in ritualistic practices that led to their demise. Local folklore adds layers of narrative to the mystery, with tales of a goddess angered by the intrusion of outsiders, unleashing her wrath upon them with stones from the sky. Number 9. Fairy Circles. In the heart of the Namib Desert, a natural mystery unfolds on an epic scale. Here, amidst one of the oldest deserts on Earth, lie the enigmatic formations known as fairy circles. These are not just random patches of barren land. They are perfectly circular, devoid of vegetation, and surrounded by a ring of lush grass. The fairy circles dot the landscape, creating a polka dot pattern that can be seen from miles above. The formation and persistence of these fairy circles have puzzled scientists and locals alike for decades. Spanning from a few meters to over a dozen meters in diameter, they seem to follow a mysterious pattern. One prevailing theory suggests that termites are the architects of these circles. The insects might clear the vegetation in a circular area to reduce competition for water, creating a self-sustaining oasis in the desert. However, not everyone is convinced by the termite theory. Number 8. Island of the Dead Dolls. Hidden among the ancient canals of Xochimilco lies a place that seems to straddle the boundary between reality and nightmare, La Isla de las Muñecas, the Island of the Dead Dolls. This island is home to hundreds of dolls. They hang from trees, their limbs twisted, their eyes empty, creating a macabre tapestry that both fascinates and horrifies. The story of the Island of the Dead Dolls is one of tragedy and mystery. It began with a caretaker named Don Julian Santana, who devoted his life to transforming this island into the chilling spectacle it is today. Legend has it that Santana found a young girl drowning in the canal. Near her body was a floating doll, which he hung on a tree as a mark of respect. Hunted by her spirit, he continued to hang more dolls, hoping to appease her soul. Number 7. The Cave of Crystals. Deep beneath the rugged landscape of northern Mexico, in the heart of the Chihuahuan Desert, lies a subterranean wonder that seems more akin to an alien world than our own, the Cave of Crystals. The discovery of the Cave of Crystals in the Nika mine was a momentous event in the world of geology. Here, we find some of the largest natural crystals ever seen by human eyes. Inside, towering selenite crystals, some reaching lengths of over 11 meters and weighing as much as 55 tons, crisscross the cavern, creating a landscape of breathtaking beauty and grandeur. The mystery of how these colossal crystals formed lies in the unique geological conditions present within the cave. Over millions of years, mineral-rich water percolated through the limestone, depositing selenite and gradually giving rise to these giant structures. Number 6. Eternal Flame Falls. Hidden within the tranquil forest of western New York, an extraordinary natural wonder defies the elements, the Eternal Flame Falls. Here, fire and water coexist in a mesmerizing dance that has fascinated visitors and scientists alike. At first glance, it might seem like a trick or an illusion. But what you're seeing is very real, a natural gas flame burning steadily behind a waterfall. The mystery of the eternal flame falls centers on its source and how it remains lit despite the constant flow of water. The flame burns from a small cavern at the waterfall's base, fueled by natural gas seeping through the rocks. The prevailing theory is that ancient, natural gas pockets trapped beneath the Earth's surface slowly release gas through fissures in the shale rock. This gas feeds the flame we see today. Number 5. Chocolate Hills. In the heart of the Philippines lies a geological marvel that captivates the imagination of all who behold it, the Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Spread over an area of 50 square kilometers, these peculiar cone-shaped hills create a seemingly endless sea of green that turns cocoa brown in the dry season. giving them their famous name. What's remarkable about the chocolate hills is not just their number, but their near-perfect uniform shape and distribution. This is a rare phenomenon in the natural world. The origin of these hills has been a subject of debate and fascination. They are not volcanic in nature, as one might first guess. One prevailing theory suggests that these hills are the result of thousands of years of weathering of limestone, the remains of marine life from a time when this area was submerged underwater. Number 4. Tabby Star. Deep in the cosmos, among the myriad of stars that dot our galaxy, lies a star so mysterious that it has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Tabby Star. Tabby Star is unlike any other star we've observed. It exhibits unusual and irregular light fluctuations that have baffled astronomers since its discovery. The mystery revolves around its erratic dimming and brightening episodes. While most stars show predictable patterns, Tabby Star dims at irregular intervals and with varying intensities. Several theories have been proposed to explain this enigmatic behavior. One suggests a swarm of comet fragments in an elliptical orbit around the star, occasionally blocking its light. Number 3. The Devil's Kettle. Hidden within the wilderness of Minnesota lies a geological mystery that has puzzled scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, the Devil's Kettle. Here, the Brule River splits into two at a rock outcropping. While one side flows onward as a typical waterfall, the other plunges into a deep pothole and seemingly vanishes from sight. At Devil's Kettle, the river's journey takes an unusual turn. Half of its water enters this pothole and disappears underground, leaving us to wonder, where does it go? For years, the destination of these waters has remained a mystery. Various theories have been proposed, yet none have definitively answered the question. Number 2. Saturn's hexagonal storm. Among the countless marvels of our solar system, one of the most mystifying is found on the giant ring planet Saturn, a colossal hexagonal storm at its north pole. This isn't your typical storm. Measuring about 20,000 miles across, this hexagon is larger than Earth itself and has winds racing at over 200 miles per hour. First observed by the Voyager spacecraft in the early 1980s, this enduring hexagonal pattern has baffled scientists for decades. Unlike any other weather phenomenon in our solar system, it has persisted, relatively unchanged, for over 40 years since its discovery. One theory suggests that the hexagon is formed by differences in the speeds of Saturn's atmospheric gases. Number 1. Nazca Line. In the heart of Peru's arid Nazca Desert lies one of the world's most baffling enigmas, the Nazca Lines. These are not mere markings, but monumental creations spanning up to 1,200 feet, visible fully only from the skies above. They were made by individuals between 500 BC and 500 AD by creating shallow incisions or depressions in the desert floor, clearing away pebbles, and exposing varied-colored earth. These massive geoglyphs have puzzled archaeologists, historians, and scientists alike. Usually, the lines are between 10 and 15 centimeters deep. They were created by scraping off the top layer of pebbles coated in reddish-brown iron oxide, exposing a subsurface that was gray-yellow. The purpose of these lines, however, remains an enigma. Some theories suggest they served as an astronomical calendar. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the shadows of the unexplained. Liked what you saw? Give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.